How to sign up for PrizePicks without ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to sign up in your PrizePicks without ID. So just being straightforward that PrizePicks has made up for adults to use. So in order to create an account, you need to verify your ID. It has to be government issued ID so that PrizePick will be able to verify that the person who is using the account is above the 18 years of age. So in that case, you will receive a notification for successful verification, and you will also need to provide a link of the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin your paying PrizePicks. So you need to verify your ID with PrizePicks in order to get started and sign up with PrizePicks. So as you can see that in the home page, when you click on sign up, you will see this 5-step process in order to sign up to PrizePicks account. So first thing first, you need to mention your email address, and after that you need to mention your referral code and then continue with the other processes. So yeah, I hope I will be able to answer your question whether you will be able to sign up with your PrizePick account without ID. So that is not possible. So in order to sign up, you need to verify your ID card with the PrizePick. For security reasons, PrizePick had made this compulsory for every user. So I hope you understand this policy of PrizePicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.